Good evening. And so today was another day of this bullish action pulling back. So we did get the consolidation as far as yesterday. And then today we got the pullback. And so this is absolutely normal. Again, one of the things that you want to see here for the dollar index is that in this pullback, what is still being maintained are going to be those prior highs. So those prior highs from last week are still being maintained, as you can see here. So even with these prior highs, all of the price action up to this point is still above all of that um, prior price action. So again, nice pullback here. In order for the dollar to continue to make that effort towards 105, again, there is a bigger resistance that is there once the dollar does make it above 105, but that bridge should be crossed once it comes up. At this point, this trade idea is still a bullish trade idea with news coming in tomorrow. So we'll see how that news comes in tomorrow and how that news affects this dollar's trend. That news is going to be big news that will move the dollar. And so we'll see which direction it moves the dollar in, whether it's a beat, whether it's a miss, and everything as it pertains to that. We do have for the UC idea, again, pull back here as well. This one coming back, pulling back all the way to the resistance area that was here as far as that we had all the way back here. So that's where this resistance is coming from. This price made it all the way almost back down exactly to just that. And now it was able to bounce from here to get back above that minor quarter level. The next level that we are watching above this is going to be that midpoint area. And so with that midpoint area, we're watching that to see if we can get a breakthrough in order to get back up to 135, 750. And if we can get back up there, then we are looking for fresh new highs once more if we are getting that dollar breakout. We also have here for the GU idea, again, this one holding this area now as far as that 105, 500 area. And in holding that area, we are looking to see if this can make it back up to 126. But again, that's going to be on the negative dollar news. So this making it back up to 126 is going to be on negative dollar news tomorrow. And then we have the EU idea. This one, again, after making these fresh new lows, it is looking weak here as far as no buyers going into that news, also being underneath the major quarter level of 107, 500. For the AU idea, again, underneath that major wildcard area of 65 cent, but it also has the trend line resistance here as well that is getting ready to bump its head on. And so that would play a factor and play a role in this price dropping back down should the dollar be bullish tomorrow on the news. And for the NU idea, again, those higher lows that were being made are now dropping off. So on a longer term basis, we still are having, if you will, for the overall trend, higher lows being made as long as this doesn't break down on a pullback should the dollar report bullish news tomorrow, as well as the UJ idea. We are currently getting a bullish pullback here for price to continue up. We'll see as far as how the news comes out. But again, everything is contingent upon the dollar itself. So everything is contingent upon the dollar itself. And so we'll see what the dollar does as it pertains to the news. And so we'll continue to keep our eye out on that. And we'll let you guys know if those trades are ready and when those trades are ready, how we will trade those.